Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to redeem an Instacart gift card. If you don't have an Instacart account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put links in the description below for similar grocery and food delivery apps for you to sign up. If you already have an account, open the website instacart.com. Then click on Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines at the top left corner of the page. Click on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. On the left side menu, you will see an option for credits, promos, and gift cards. Click on Credits, Promos, and Gift Cards. On this page, you will see a section for Apply discounts to your account. On the field provided, enter your gift card number or code. After entering, click on the button that says Add to Account. That's how you redeem an Instacart gift card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.